Hello, my name's Christina.
I'm Andrea. Oh, all right.
Sorry, I forgot about you. And this is part 6 of the Intro to Arduino series, and today we'll be covering the Bluetooth module 2.0. I'd like to make a note that if you're an iPhone user like Andrew, unfortunately this video will not work for you. Sorry. The Bluetooth 2.0 is not compatible with iOS. Maybe in the future I will get a BLE module and create a separate tutorial. But in the meantime, this is only for Android users. The Bluetooth module is one of my favorite Arduino components because we're able to control our creations away from our computer in the real world from a much more accessible device. The Bluetooth module has 4 pins. It has ground, VCC, and TXD, which means transmitting, and RXD, which means receiving. So the materials you'll need for this one are a breadboard, Bluetooth 2.0 module, Arduino Uno, and 6 jumper wires. So first, you want to start by putting the Bluetooth module into the breadboard. I'm just going to leave it in. And then connect ground and 5 volts of the module to positive and negative of the breadboard. The struggle. Then you want to connect RXT, which is receiving, to TX, which is pin 1. Then you'll connect TXD to RX, which is pin 0. Finally, you'll connect the positive and the negative of the breadboard to ground and 5 volts of the Arduino. And now for the code. There's a link in the description to the code, or feel free to pause the video and type it yourself. Upload the code. If you receive an error like this, don't worry about it. Simply unplug the RX and TX pin, re-upload, and once the upload is successful, plug the RX and TX pins back in. Download a controller app of your choice. My personal favorite is the Arduino Bluetooth controller app. I'll also put a link in the description to that. It gives a variety of styles for communicating with the Arduino and the Bluetooth module. The communication works the same, however. It's just a personal preference. Set up the controller, and in terminal mode, send a 1. You'll receive this message back immediately. The name indicates that it is the module communicating. Now send a 0. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to watch part 7 of this series, where we will explore range by using a combination of the ultrasonic sensor and LEDs. Bye.